You must have realized by now that coaching is not only a skill set, but it's a mindset. It's a way of viewing the world. There are three things that coaches or leaders who coach believe in. First of all, they believe that people can develop and grow. There's this underlying assumption that learning is possible for everyone as long as they want to, and they set their mind to it. The second thing that coaches focus on are solutions. Coaches don't dwell too long in analyzing a problem. Once they have all the facts that are necessary, they move on quickly towards finding a solution, because this is a much more energizing stance. It's a much more exciting place to be in when you're looking for solutions rather than being sucked into excessive analysis of a problem. The third thing that coaches really are very keen about is focusing on strengths, leveraging people's strengths. We've been used to, analyzing our weaknesses with a magnifying glass in the hope that the more we look at them, the more they'll vanish, but that's not the way to do it. The way to do it is to focus on what we know already how to do, and what our potential is, or the small capabilities that we have, and leverage those and increase those, develop those, so that we might accomplish things that maybe we would not have accomplished if we were just sitting there looking at our weaknesses. So looking at solutions, looking at strengths, believing in growth and the potential for development, these are really coaching mindsets.